Thanga Magan Tamil movie summary. Tamij, his wife Yamuna, and mother move into an uncomfortable home. Tamij leaves them with his friend Kumaran while he looks for a job. All the companies are pleased with his resume but are hesitant to give him a job due to occurrences in his past job. Desperate, Tamij gets a job at a roadside biryani shop. He comes home for the night after he gets drunk, and flashback starts. 5 years earlier, college student Tamij, Kumaran, and Tamija's cousin Arvind were inseparable friends. One day, Tamija's mother tells him to go to the temple for a puja, blessing ceremony. There he meets Hema, who is an Anglo-Indian and architect student and likes her. Tamij and Kumaran leave out Arvind, as they feel due to his better looks, he might hinder their attempts at the girls. Tamij starts to woo her and the two eventually fall in love, while Kumaran and Tamija's neighbor Revati also fall in love. For their first anniversary, Tamij, Hema, Kumaran, and Hema's friend Revati go to Darjeeling without telling Arvind and Tamija's father Vijayaraghavan. Feeling guilty, he decides he will tell them both the truth once he goes back to Chennai. But Arvind has followed the group, says he never wants to see Tamij again for betraying him, and storms off. Later, when Hema and Tamij are discussing their future, Tamij learns that Hema doesn't envision his parents living with them in their marital home. This infuriates Tamij and they both fight, eventually leading to their breakup. They both move on with their own lives. Tamij starts work as a junior officer at his father's income tax office. Hema marries Arvind. Later Tamija's family arranges his marriage with Yamuna. They gradually fall in love with each other and eventually forgets Hema. One day, Vijayaraghavan returns home tense and shouts at his wife. The next morning, when Yamuna opens the bathroom door, it is found that Vijayaraghavan had hung himself. Everybody accuses him of stealing an important tax file from his office. Tamij is also suspended without pay and the government quarters chief evicts him due to bad name. At the same time Yamuna informs her family that she might be pregnant. Tamij, Yamuna and his mother are asked to evict. They stay at Yamuna's parents' house but end up leaving due to her parents mistreating Tamij. They stay at a hut temporarily as Tamij works at the roadside biryani shop. Overwhelmed by the sudden turn of events, Tamij cries out to Yamuna on struggling to live with these struggles, but she comforts and supports him throughout. In the present, Tamij tries to gather information about his father. A close friend of Vijayaraghavan sees Tamij and says Vijayaraghavan once mentioned a bag of money. So Tamij goes to see his boss Prakash, who tells him he gave Vijayaraghavan 50 million rupees to protect from an impending raid, but Vijayaraghavan forgot what he did with the money. Prakash thinks he stole it, so he took the tax file and demanded Vijayaraghavan return the money to get the file back. Tamij remembers Vijayaraghavan once arguing with Arvind, so he goes to see him about the money. Arvind denies knowing about it. Later, Hema confronts Arvind, who admits he took the money for his business, but was going to return it once he was settled, but Vijayaraghavan killed himself before that. Hema meets Yamuna in the temple and tells her the truth behind the money. Tamij searches Arvind's house and learns that Arvind is going to use the money to pay for a construction investment. Kumaran tricks the builder into revealing details about the deal closure, and convinces the dealer to change the meeting time from 7:00 to 9:00. Arvind shows up at 7:00 and encounters Tamij there. After a brief altercation, Tamij takes the money with him, but it amounts to just 10 million. That night, thieves try to steal the money, but Tamij wards them off. The next day, Tamij is tipped off that there will be an income tax raid at his house. Tamij has Kumaran protect the money, but Arvind intercepts Kumaran and takes it back. Tamij tracks down one of Arvind's associates, who has 40 of the 50 million rupees. Tamich beats him up and takes the money back. Arvind finds out about this and tries to protect the rest, eventually losing his mind in the process. Tamich visits Arvind and reminds him how happy they were when before money was involved. Arvind realizes his mistake and gives the money back to Tamich, asking for his forgiveness. Tamich goes to Prakash with the money and asks for the tax file back. But Prakash reveals that he sold the file for 500 million rupees and that Tamich should take 50 million to forget the issue. Tamich doesn't want it and tells Prakash to accept his mistake and cancel his suspension. Same night, Tamich takes Yamuna to the hospital because she is having labor pains. En route, Prakash's goons try to kill Tamich, but he successfully fights back. He later calls Prakash and tells him to turn on the news, where his assistant is revealing Prakash's corrupt activities. Tamich then tells him that he gave his assistant the 50 million rupees to confess. Prakash is arrested, and Yamuna gives birth to a boy. The film ends with a happy Tamich leaving for work.